So hello and welcome to the new video, and this video is going to very important for the 2026 batch students, those who are preparing for their campus. And a very important news for you all that Accenture is coming for the on-campus recruitment process. So you should know everything about the Accenture recruitment process for this year, for the batch 2026. So many of these students have received mail regarding the recruitment process like this. Okay, so this mail is received by the students, those students in the colleges where the Accenture has just visited. Okay, and it may be possible that in your college also it will the Accenture will also conduct their campus drive. Okay, so don't be panic that we haven't received anything regarding the Accenture, but yeah, you will receive. So before going towards the Accenture recruitment process, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please do subscribe our channel, Learning Unique, and you can also check out these videos related to the Capgemini uh, on campus hiring process. We have uploaded a lot of technical questions as well as the communication questions of this. Okay, so you can go and check out these videos, and you can join our membership also. The benefit that you will receive from this, we will provide you free premium placement preparation materials, those who are those who join the membership. Okay, so you can go and check out. Only minimal 59 rupees per month is the base price. Okay, so let's be back to the Accenture recruitment process for the batch 2026. So recently, many of the students have received this type of mail regarding the next process, that is assignment. So the mail was like this: congratulations, you have advanced to the next stage of our hiring process. You have received this notification about the assignment process. Okay, so I'll be discussing all these points. What will be the uh, main points on how you can prepare and what are the assignments and their stages. Okay, so I'll be discussing everything, so don't miss any part of the video. So this was the mail and lots of the students have received. So let's begin with the breakdown of this. What are the stages of this assignment? Okay, so you will be receiving this type of mail, and there will be four main stages. Okay, the first stage is behavioral and cognitive assignments. So here you will be seeing gamified aptitude or game based aptitude type of things. Okay, and in behavioral rounds, you will be seeing the fundamental stage of evaluating the problem solving abilities. Your logic will be tested here, your behavioral competencies will be tested here. Based on that, you will be seeing some questions, and uh, you have to solve these things. Okay, after you qualify this behavioral and gamified assessment, you will be having technical assessment, and in technical assessment you will see questions related to programming concepts, system designing, database technologies specific. Okay, so these type of things will be covered in this second round. After happening this round, if you qualify, you will get chance for the coding assignment. And in coding assignment, you will be seeing algorithms questions, data structure code questions, and many more things. Okay, so this is the third stage, or the third thing that they are going to have. After that, if you qualify this, so you will be having communication assignment at last. In Capgemini, this time they have conducted communication round in the first round only, but in the Accenture, it is going to be at the last. So it will be very easy for you guys to prepare for this. Okay, if you qualify all those things, so it will be much easier as compared to the Capgemini. Okay, so these are the four stages according to the mail, and this is going to be very important. And let's begin with the system requirements. They have also mentioned system requirements. The system requirements are laptop, desktop requirement. The laptop should be there, webcam, microphone, device status, network security. These things are common. And if I talk about the RAM, so it should be minimal in this, 4 GB or 8 GB recommended, and i3 or more than i3 processor. Okay, so these are the things that they have also mentioned in the mail of this assignment process. Okay, so this was the all about the Accenture recruitment process. So let's begin with the how you can prepare, and here are the preparation strategies that you can see. You have to manage time once the Accenture visits your college, so you will get everything about that, and your college faculties will be also helping you out everything regarding the information and all. So you need not to worry about this a lot. Just it's a overview about this, about the upcoming campus types. Okay, so that's all for the day. And if you have not subscribed our channel, so please do subscribe the channel and like the video, and you can also join the our membership. So thank you, and all the important links are pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box, so you can go and check out. So that's all for the day. Thank you.